Hi guys, and welcome to another WordPress Divi theme tutorial. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Divi in itself is a fantastic theme. It just keeps getting better and better. I've designed so many sites with it over the years, it's just crazy. And if you're building any sort of WordPress site at all, I do suggest you take a look at it. You can take it for a test drive from my affiliate link below this video. Today, we're going to be using a free plugin. And the plugin's called Divi Supreme Modules. And if you go to your dashboard, to your plugins, just simply hit Add New and put the word Supreme in there and hit Enter. It'll come up right there, Divi Supreme Modules. Like I say, it's free. Mine's already active because I've got it installed on this site, but that's the plugin we'll be using for this video. Okay, in this video today, we're going to add this cool divider text here. Great little effect. A few videos ago, we put together this little gallery with this flip images here. I just thought it'd be nice to have a bit of text with dividers in between the two. It's a nice little effect, very easy to do with this plugin. So let's go ahead and do that. What I'll do is I'll delete the one I've got here. Okay, so the first thing you do is add a row. I'm doing a single row, single column row. Hit Add Module. Scroll down. I'm going to grab the Supreme Text Divider. Once it's opened, simply put in your text. There it is right there, as you can see. You can link the module like any other module. You can link it to things. Background, I'm not going to put a background in there. I want it transparent. So let's go over to the Design tab. Let's move this out of the way slightly. And I'm going to choose white. This will actually be the color of the divider there. There you see the divider's gone white there. Now you can have different sort of styles of divider. There's a big list of them here, dashed, as you can see, dotted, double, etc. Just select the one that works for you. I just want a solid. Now vertically centered, you can have it aligned at the top of your writing or at the bottom of your writing. But today I'm going to use the vertically centered. That works for me. Let's move on down. Divider text. It's H3 as you can see. Now I want that to be white also. I want it to be centered. And I want it to be capitalized. And I also want it to be a lot bigger than that. Something like that. And let's spread it out a bit by bringing up the letter spacing a little bit. There we go. Line height, I don't need to adjust that. That's just the space between it and the next line. Spacing. Actually, sizing we want to do next. Divider weight, I want to thicken that up so it's more in line with the font weight there. Bit too much. Something like that. Now the text gap is the gap between the writing and the actual divider itself there. Add a little bit there. And again, this is all subjective. You put exactly what you want in there. Now the width, move this slightly out of the way. At the moment, that's stretching all the way across. So I'm going to take mine down to sort of 70%. something like that. And now it's over to the left. I want to centralize it. There it is right there. And that is effectively it. That's all I really wanted to do. Put that in between our two images there. And all I did for a final step was just to adjust the padding on some of these modules by grabbing them. So that's a beautiful thing about Divi's visual builder here. You can just grab a module and change its padding just by grabbing the border like that. And just really by eye putting it where I wanted it there. So we've got our nice little image with our light box effects there. And in the middle of it, I've just got that little title with the divider. Very easy to do. Another great feature of this fantastic plugin. So there you have it. Using the Divi Supreme Modules plugin. It's free, so why not use it? I hope you've enjoyed that. If you have, please give it a thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel. If you're interested in web development, take a look down below. We've got some great free courses down there. We've also got some premium courses with some huge discounts for our YouTube subscribers, so do take a look. Once again, this has been Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.